Okay, see here, 19th I have completed. Now this is the last sum of 1.3 exercise and also the last sum of the whole chapter, right? Okay, fine. Here what the sum says: in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is at 5 meter from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes totally, 10 potatoes 3 meter apart. Then this is 5 from the first potato. In a line, a competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops in the bucket, runs back to pick the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop the same potato in it. She continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. That means, what is the total distance the competitor has to run so as to put all the potatoes into the bucket? Okay, see, little bit fast I read this sum. Now I will give the understanding of the sum. You have a textbook, you please go through the sum. Read it once and twice. Now I will give you the understanding of the sum. You see here, with this I will just explain what is the sum. Here is the bucket, here is the competitor, and here are the 10 potatoes. See the first potato, second potato, third and so on up to 10 potatoes, right? And here is a bucket placed. Now the bucket is placed from the first potato at 5 meter distance. Understood? At 5 meter distance, the first potato is kept. Thereby, each potato is placed between 3 meter distance. The distance between each potato is 3 meter. That means first to second is 3 meter, second to third is again 3 meter, and third to fourth is again 3 meter, and so on. So lastly also 3 meter. Means all 10 potatoes are kept at equidistant. That is 3 meter. Now what the competitor has to do? The competitor, that means she, here they have referred as a she, so I am referring it. The competitor has to start with this point. This is what is the starting point, right? So starting point is here. She runs up to 5 meter distance to pick one potato, again runs back and drops it into the bucket. Next, from the bucket, she runs back to pick up the second potato, again runs back to put or drop it into the bucket. From here again she runs to pick up the third one, and so on until all the 10 potatoes are put into the bucket or dropped into the bucket. Right, there she ends her competition. But what is the total distance covered by this competitor, or she has to run so as to put all the 10 potatoes into the bucket, right? Drop into the bucket. So this is what is the question is asked, right? Hope the question is clear to you all. Now let us find out what is given here. Solution A, that is distance covered in dropping first potato is equal to A, which is equal to A1 is equal to, you see here, from here it is 5 meter, right? So this is what is 5 meter. She goes up to 5 meter, runs back. That means again we have to add 5, no? 5 meter to pick the potato, comes back 5 meter to drop into the bucket. That means 5 plus 5. This is your 10 meter is your A1, or which is equal to A, that is your first term. Now the second one. 3 terms we have to find, right? Distance covered in dropping the second potato, right? Second potato, what is our second potato is A2. This is equal to, see here, from here she runs back to 5 plus 3, 8, isn't it? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. From this 8 again she runs back, isn't it? That means 2 times. That means here 8 into 2, which is equal to 16 is the second term. Right. Now similarly, to pick the third potato. To pick the third potato, how much distance she has to run? From here, third potato is here. 5 plus 3 plus 3. Right? Okay. That means 5 plus 3 plus 3. That is equal to 11. Into 2. This is equal to 22 meter. Right? This is 16 meter. So, 22 meters the competitor has to run to pick the third one and drop into the bucket. So 1, 2, 3 are enough and so on. It can be continued like. Okay, what else is given? N is given, number of potatoes are 10. What to find is Sn, right? Okay. Sn is equal to. So before going for Sn, we have to find what is D value. Okay. So therefore, our D value is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? Second potato distance covered is 16 meter. That means here it is 16. Minus what is A1? A1 is distance covered is 10 meter. That means this is 10, which is equal to 6 meter. So that means meter is not necessary here. 6 is our common distance. Okay, see here. D is equal to 6 meter. Write it out. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Bracket close. Sn is what? Yes, 10. Already n is 10 we have given. They have given it. 10 by 2. 2 into, again, first term is 10. Right? Plus, this is 10 into bracket 10 minus 1. Our d is 6. So d is here 6. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Right? So what is S10? 5 plus here 2 tens are 20. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 fours are 54. Right. So this is S10 is equal to 5 into 54 plus 20 is 74. So this is equal to 5 fours are 20, carry over 2, 35 plus 2 is 37. That means total distance the competitor has to run so as to pick all the 10 potatoes and drop back into the bucket is 370 meter is your answer. Right? See here, all the sums are completed of 1.3 exercise. You please go through all the videos of AP, that is arithmetic progression. Now students, what I am going to do is, after some days, I will just WhatsApp to you the extra sums, additional sums under the title assignment, mathematic assignment on AP, that is arithmetic progression. It consists of all additional sums, extra. Some may not be out of the, in the text. So you have to solve them. I'll give you the time, maybe 1 week, then you have to submit back to me, right? Understood? Okay, just observe this, then we'll go for the next chapter.